This is how you can import your jury selection outlines from a Word file into Honey Juror. Here we are in Microsoft Word, and you can see that I have typed a few sentences as a demonstration of how the import function of Honey Juror works. The rules you need to know is that Honey Juror will import any text preceded by a question mark. If you have a jury selection outline and there are no question marks in your outline, nothing will import or populate into your Honey Juror outline. And if you have some sentences with a question mark, only they will import into Honey Juror. Notice in this Word document, there is a title without a question mark, as well as a few sentences without question marks. When this document is imported, the text without question marks will not be imported. Now, here's how you import your outline into Honey Juror. First, you select the Outline button. This takes you to Jury Selection Case Outlines. And for this case, we have not created or selected any outlines yet. When we select Jury Selection Outlines, this takes us to our Jury Selection Outline Library, where you can save any and all of your outlines. Notice, there are a few default outlines that come with Honey Juror. Please feel free to delete them and create your own custom outlines. Next, select New Outline. You are prompted to create a name for your new outline. In this example, I will call the new outline, quote, Basic Warm-Up Questions. This takes us to the beginning of our new outline. Here, I will type a sample question. Quote, before we get started, does anyone recognize anyone in the courtroom? Question mark, close quote. I select Add, and now we have one question in the outline. However, if I want to import a Word document for my jury questions outline, it's very simple. You select Import, which opens the various locations your iPad has been set up to use for storing various files. You may save your outline on your iPad, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box. Select the location of your Word file. In this example, I have my sample question saved on a Google Drive. This takes me to the Word document. I select the file, and notice it imports all the text that has a question mark at the end of the text. I can now move the questions around, edit the questions, or delete a question as well. Once we have the outline the way we like it, we select the back arrow, which takes us to the library. We select the new outline we created called Basic Warm-Up Questions. And we will also select Jury Question Outline Personal Injury Plaintiff. And again, you select the back arrow. And you get the notice that you are importing to your case two selected outlines to case. Select Import. Now you see your two outlines for your case. You can rearrange the outlines by holding down and dragging the outline to put them in the right order. And if you want to open any outline, just tap to open the questions. You can edit them and move them around as you see fit. You can use the back arrow to return to the case screen. If you select Jury, then Seat View, and select Start Questions, so now you can see your outlines. Now select the first set of questions. And if you select a question, such as the top one, notice the box around the question. The box signifies to your assistants or spotters that you are about to or are asking this question. And for example, if you select the box with the Raise Hand text at the end of the question, your spotters can turn on the Engage Hand Raising function. This allows your spotters to identify with a hand raise which jurors raise their hands for this question. And you will see the hand raise icons on the jurors' avatars so long as you are in the seat view. And when you are through with the question, you double-click the question, and this draws a line through your question to help you keep track of the questions you have asked. And when you select Questions Done, this closes the Jury Question Outline box for your iPad. And now you know how to import from Word your jury selection outlines and how to manage and edit them in Honey Juror.